I guess what were you doing for work before you decided to upskill and look at this thing called cybersecurity?
Yeah, so I've been doing help desk roles for roughly 2.5 years now, just jumping from job to job. And then I saw the ad and I was like, I can't keep doing help desk roles for the rest of my life. Yeah, so I signed up. But yeah, sorry, so I was doing help desk roles.
And why couldn't you see yourself doing a help desk role for the rest of your life?
It's the same. It's not the same thing no matter what, but like it is the same thing. It changes to a job, but you're doing the same job, and it doesn't pay amazing either. So
Okay. Yeah. So you're looking for a bit of a step up into a new, more exciting, I guess, field
yeah, that's it.
and for a bit of variety. Okay. So you saw my face, I'm assuming, pop up on, apologize for that as well, my mug popping up on a Facebook ad. What was it about that ad, or what was it about the timing that you're like, you know what, I am going to inquire about this and I am going to, as you say, enroll and sign up? Anything specific?
Yeah, I think it was the ad made it sound, and not that it sounded, but like with the ad, it was like a lot of support was given
Yep.
throughout the process, and because it's a big job getting into cyber, it's a lot of work and it's
Yep.
not guaranteed. And so yes, the ad made it seem pretty well guaranteed as long as you put in the work.
Yep, exactly. As long as you put in the work and you're interested in the study,
Yeah.
then the results will come your way. And so, why cybersecurity? What is it about the cybersecurity field that really, piqued your interest?
Yeah, I was interested in it and I dropped off and on. I think mostly the variety of it, especially red teaming and threat investigation
Yep.
seemed the most interesting to me. Just, I think, yeah, just the variety and the problem solving aspect of it all.
I guess, as you said, the opposite to the monotonous help desk role where you're kind of doing the same thing day in, day out. When you're in a cyber role and you're constantly problem solving, those problems can change every day. Then that's probably what, yeah, as you said, was
Yeah.
the main attraction for you. Now, you managed to land your first role in the cybersecurity industry, which is amazing. Tell us a little bit about that. Like, how did you land the role? Because I get a lot of guests on the show, and it's more traditional. They do our certifications, they go through our job ready program, they get a job with our placement partner, and they go through that, internal, that I guess that recruitment process where they have to apply with their resumes, maybe do a psychometric test, maybe do some face-to-face interviews or over Zoom, and then they find out they get the job. Yours is a bit different, which is interesting. Tell everyone about that.
Yeah, so in our current role, we look after like an application that the government uses. And so they brought in like a team of security consultants to look at it. And so me and my other colleague ran them through the system and everything that connects to it. And during it, I must have made some impression because when they were reporting to all the big bosses, they were like, yeah, we need to make all these changes, and just get Dyllen to do them all. And so that's how it went.
Amazing. So the security consultants, external consultants came in. They said, here are your problems. You need people to be able to obviously fix these problems. It's not all just going to be, about this software. And then you were recommended by those security consultants or someone internally, and they go, hey, Dyllen's actually could be a potentially really good fit for that. They then approached you, I'm assuming, go, hey, is this something you're interested in? Did they know you were studying cybersecurity at the time?
Yeah, I raised it with my director and said, hey, I'm doing all these certifications. If anything comes up, like I want to put my hand up for it. So yeah, so I kind of had a bit of an in already.
When did you start the job?
It was December, technically.
Okay. So then you went on break, I'm assuming?
Yeah, well, so what technically happened was they approached me and they said, hi, like, I'm going to this role. We need to get all this work done by the end of November. And then November came, and then like it was just procurement problems. So I technically started the role in December.
Okay. And so how have you found it so far? I know it's probably only a few weeks of actually in the role. You might not be, doing some induction stuff, but how have you found it?
It's good. It's really good actually. Yeah, it's just good and it's exciting. I'm learning lots of things.
Cool. So it's not completely different. I don't want to, bag out the IT help desk role all that much because it's a good role. But what's the difference? Why is it a lot better? Why is it more exciting now that you're in that cybersecurity role?
I'm just doing different things. Like I've learned a lot about the systems, and I've had to learn a lot to make these changes. And I think that's the most exciting thing is learning as I'm doing.
Learning new
Yeah.
skills.